I am really excited for Niagara Falls.
Hey guys, welcome back to Stu TV. I'm Stuti. I hope you guys are doing great. And today is a weekend. You know, I am always making videos on a weekend, and I'm very excited about today because today we are heading to Niagara Falls. So we are a group of 7 people and really excited. There are a few things in place that we have scheduled. Hopefully we should be able to do because it's raining right now. I hope the weather gods are not in a bad mood because we really want to try the hornblower and experience the Niagara Falls like literally in person with the water splashing on the face and everything. So I'm really excited, especially about the amusement stretch which is there. So yeah, stay tuned, watch this video till the very end. So the guys who are coming right now, they are like really tall. I'm a shorty, so you know, please do not mind my camera angle. Meet Shweta and Suraj.
Hello.
And Arjun.
And Arjun. How excited are you guys for Niagara Falls?
Very excited.
Is this your first time?
No.
Second.
Okay, and how are we going to Niagara right now? If you want to give some information for Niagara Falls for the ones who are going for the first time.
We're going to take the 403 west and we're going to follow that till Niagara Falls.
Is it a toll?
No, it's a non-toll.
Only 1 hour.
Okay.
And only 1 hour.
Okay.
Hopefully.
Did we do any bookings for Niagara Falls?
No.
No, because of the weather.
Given the condition,
Yeah.
we might not be able to go to
Honor, but let's see.
We'll
hope.
see. Yeah.
Okay.
We're hopeful.
Yeah. Stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel, guys. Hey guys, so like I said, there's another couple which I want to introduce to you, and this is Digvi and Orko. Say hi. Hi. Come Orko. Even Orko is a big tolly, guys. Please adjust.
17 exit miss किया.
So we are at Dairy Queen right now, and the USP for Dairy Queen is a blizzard. Why it's famous? You can do the cone upside down and it does not fall. The ice cream is that thick, and if it does, they will actually refund your money. So do check out the blizzard.
ये अर्जुन का different है. और यो. नहीं यार.
This is which flavor, Digvi?
This is brownie batter. Guys, cheers.
It's very nice. This is brownie batter.
That's fake Canadian accent, guys. Don't mind him. which you can take to move between Canada and US. And yes, soon. And that's the Niagara Falls. How excited are y'all?
Very much.
How was it?
It was fantastic. What an experience. Once in a lifetime, and you should do it as soon as you are here.
Yes.
For sure.
was the vlog at Niagara Falls. I hope you guys liked. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and that bell icon. And if you have any feedback, if suggestions, please leave in the comment section. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Until then, stay fabulous.